baby. Hey, someday. Welcome to what you're doing now, Dylan? Welcome to hey baby.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no, never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo.
Welcome to boring
Chicken fried chicken.
fried chicken and what you the potato.
Potato chips.
She gonna make potato chips. Damn. We'll see how you do today.
Babe, how many?
How many what?
4 cups.
Oh, look. It's over there.
How many slices, babe?
How many you gonna eat? How many? Oh my god.
Come.
How many you eat?
2.
Oh my. That's it? Just 2? Oh, whatever, I don't know.
Ah.
You just do me
Okay,
3.
3. 3 yours and 3 mine.
Okay. We bought a whole chicken and you want to eat 2 pieces.
This is expensive, huh?
The chicken?
Yeah.
No.
No. 220 is expensive to me.
220 pesos is expensive
Yeah, it's
here
expensive.
in the Philippines for one whole chicken. How long does it take a person to make 220 pesos here? Huh? How long? Like really fast or what?
Oh. Look, babe, just this one. Just this one.
So I'm gonna clean the potatoes now.
Yeah, and put that.
What are we gonna do with the chicken? Okay, here you go. In the pan?
No. Freezer.
Oh yeah. Why are you so...
I'm so hungry now.
Are you just gonna put it like that? You gonna fry it? Okay.
You know,
What?
did the rice.
So the chicken gets mixed with crispy fry.
Did the rice. And the oil too.
The oil?
Yeah.
What oil? Oh, the one we brought. It's right here or no? Oh yeah. Which rice? The one in the bag?
Yeah. And
So that's how you cook crispy chicken here in the Philippines. Right here. So we'll see how it tastes. Feels good to be on vacation. And then
do you think this is so good?
yeah, still good. We bought it 2 days ago. It better be good. Looks like we made it.
I'm so hungry now.
It's your fault.
Oh my god, what the?
It ripped. I told you to buy more.
Chicken?
Yeah, that way we don't have to be going all the time to the market, but you don't want to. So see, because if we had the chicken here at the house, we wouldn't have to drive another 10 or 15 minutes to the market, and we would have been cooking already. That's what you get. Not this one. Put the music, come on.
Ah! It's when you go, I was waiting.
Oh, I want to hear this one.
Why? Yeah. Yeah.
Your brother messaged you.